Hey, you've caught up with us along the trail. Clint has made it home with our new cargo trailer. Just doing a quick update for this week, kind of where Geraldine is. I don't know if you can hear the vacuums and everything. Clint is almost done sanding, doing some Bondo work. He's getting her prepped for some primer. And then she's kind of at a stopping point until the weather warms up and we can get the shop ready to paint her. So his next project will be converting this cargo trailer into our toy hauler that will be our camper. So he's done that a time or two for us. We haven't needed a camper in the last few years because we had our home in Colorado, but we sold it, and so we're kind of itching to get back on the trails and just camp and be out in the mountains. So he wanted to make us another camper. Also, sad update for along the trail. We have lost our beloved General Lee Duke, my Bassett, my shotgun rider for Geraldine. General had a little accident this week, did not make it through, so sad week along our trail this week. And I'm gonna end this video with a little tribute to my dog friend General, but right now we're gonna take a walk around this trailer and I'll show you kind of an update on Geraldine before I start crying about my dog, because life is definitely sweeter when you have a hound dog by your side. So Clint has the four-wheelers in the trailer right now. I'm gonna get those unloaded and we'll take a walk around the trailer. This is really bad lighting, it has shadows, but we'll pull her out in the driveway too and get a better look at her. But Clint wanted to do a blackout package this time, so he did the black trim, and I think it comes with, like, that includes maybe the black wheels. I usually do the ordering on these, so I don't really know the details on this one because Clint did this one all on his own. But I'm gonna get these four-wheelers unloaded and then we'll check this trailer out. You know, we get the ramp door. Boy, we've got all the junk pulled out today. The old tractor, the old lawn couch. There's our cook shack Clint just built us. But anyway, let's get inside this trailer. So of course we always do the ramp door. I think it's pretty standard. Clint gets special ordered extra height to make it 7 foot tall by the time he gets the insulation on the ceiling, the air conditioner in. Clint's a pretty tall guy, so need all the room we can get when we're camping. And then that way too, if we want to like do bunk beds, we'll have the extra room. So really the extra height, and then I think he special ordered to have it kind of braced up and the wire ran to the air conditioner area there. So that's really all that he did for add-ons in the interior. He will take all these panels off, insulate it, do his wiring. That's always his first step. We went with 18 foot long this time. We kind of bickered back and forth. Clint wanted 20, I wanted 16, which don't tell Clint, but now I see an 18. I know the 16 would have been way too small for both of our four-wheelers, since Clint now has the big Grizzly, but we won't tell him that because I think the 18 is going to work just fine. Our last trailer he did a full kitchen up there in the V-nose. We got discussing that, and we really did not use the full kitchen. We didn't do much cooking inside, usually just maybe frying some bacon in a skillet. Other than that, we always use our barbecue grill or cook outside. So this trailer, I think we both agreed that we would rather have like a full bathroom and a teeny tiny kitchen. So I think that's what he's going to do for us. We at least want a shower in there. So there she is. I'm gonna let the sun go down a little bit and have Clint pull her out in the driveway, and we'll just kind of do a walk around the trailer and the new truck. Let's get caught up on Geraldine real quick. Clint's got her moved back out to the driveway, got the hand sander out, just working on some finishing touches. We're gonna keep her the closest to that original blue color as we can when we go to repaint her in the tan interior. So click subscribe and follow along on her progress. Hopefully we'll have some more videos coming up soon. Drop me a comment of what your favorite color is on these old Ford trucks. Here's just some information about the cargo trailer. It is a 2025 rock solid 7x18. Clint went down to Douglas, Georgia last week and picked it up down at Renown Cargo Trailers. Now they have a YouTube channel, they have a really good website they keep updated, so if you are in need of a cargo trailer, definitely recommend them. We've always been happy with their customer service. So we save quite a bit of money going down to Georgia to pick them up just by the time Clint does all the upgrades and customizing that he wants to do. So that's why we take the road trip down there. His main upgrade for this package, other than the 7-foot height, is the blackout package. So you'll see how everything's trimmed really nicely in black. It upgraded the wheels, the vents are black, all the latches, doorknobs, everything like that is black. He also did the polycore exterior, so it's a little thicker. It doesn't have that wavy look that a lot of cargo trailers does. His goal was to match it as much as possible with his new truck. So he picked the charcoal color. That with the blackout package went really nice with the truck, I think, because his truck has a blackout package too. So I think that's going to make a good rig going down the highway when we go take it all together there. So he traded the Bronco. So if you've been wondering where Bertha the Bronco is and Karen the Corvette, right there. They got traded for this 2024 Super Duty 250. So that is that step right there on the bed. That is my favorite feature of the truck. No joke. It's a short girl step and I like it. So there's our new rig. There's our cargo trailer. Really super excited to see what Clint's going to do with this. Follow along, click subscribe. Drop us a comment on what you would like if you were converting this into a toy hauler. What would you do? So thanks for following along, and we are going to say goodbye and do a little tribute to General Lee Duke, the world's best basset hound.